Are you ready to create a stunning logo for your brand or project without any design experience? Today, I'll show you exactly how to make a logo in Canva, step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to design your own professional looking logo. First, head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, signing up is free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, type logo into the search bar at the top. You'll see a variety of preset sizes, and for this tutorial, we'll go with the 500 by 500 pixel option. This is a perfect square size that works for most platforms. You have two main options, starting from scratch or using a template. Canva has a huge library of pre-designed logo templates that you can customize. Just browse until you find one you like, click on it, and then select Customize this template. From here, you can change the text, adjust fonts, resize elements, and switch colors to match your brand. But if you want full creative control, let's create a logo from blank. Click the Create Blank button and let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is add text. On the left-hand side, click Text, and you'll see a range of font combinations. Choose one that fits your style and click to add it to your canvas. Double-click the text box to type in your brand name or initials. You can adjust the size and position to make it stand out. Next, let's add a background shape to make the text pop. Click Elements, search for Circle, and drag it onto your canvas. Resize it and pick a color that complements your text. To layer it behind your text, right-click the circle, select Layer, and then click Send Backward. Now your text is perfectly framed. Want to get a bit more creative? You can add lines, icons, or other shapes. For example, type line in the element search, add it to your design, and adjust the layering so it appears above or below your text. You can even experiment with bold fonts and gradient-filled shapes to give your logo a modern look. Here's a simple trick. Create a circle, fill it with a gradient, then add a single letter or initial on top. Bring the text to the front, center it perfectly, and adjust the size until it looks just right. This creates a clean, minimalist logo that's versatile and memorable. Remember, the key to a great logo is simplicity, readability, and something that reflects your brand's personality. Don't be afraid to experiment with fonts, colors, and shapes until it feels right. And there you have it. With just a few clicks in Canva, you can design a logo that looks professional and polished. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative tips and design tutorials.